Working a turning chain. When we begin a new row, we will need to work a turning chain, and the height of that chain is determined by the height of our stitches. The number of chains to work will always be indicated in the pattern. I'm working in double crochet, and my chain 3 will count as the first stitch of my row. So I am chaining 3, which again is counting as a stitch. So I am not going to work into the first stitch of the row when I work my first double crochet. Instead, I will work into the second stitch of my current row, inserting my hook under both strands and working my double crochet. I can then continue along in the same manner, inserting my hook under both strands of each stitch and working a double crochet. When I get to the opposite end of the row, I will need to crochet into the top of the turning chain from the previous row, working my second to last double crochet in the last actual double crochet of the previous row, and working my last double crochet of this row into the third chain of my chain 3. I'm inserting my hook under both strands of the chain, and I can now work my double crochet. And that's how you work a turning chain in crochet.